It's nobody here again to bring you another video on BCCX or BitConnect X. But before we get into today's topic, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, share, comment. Thank you. All right, guys. BitConnect X ICO. And why? I thought it was too much money, but how I still believe in it and why I think that it's going to be a great buy. So you guys see, this is my and some of my friends, Crypto Joe's BCCX. We bought it on the day of, and we are holding with that, and that's it. Now, I agree with you guys. I think that the BCCX was way too much in value. Way too much. Even I thought that $5 was too much for initial coin offering. The fact is, for $50, that is just absurd. But why did I buy it? I look at the reason why I bought it was because I look at just the overall storyline. Okay, so a day prior, we get a leaked image or a leaked article stating that there's a leaked page on BCCX, which is their frequently asked questions tab, and I went to trace back where this came from, and it was just I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe it came from a Reddit random Reddit person, because it was dated really early and it was just posted there, and that just went berserk and started leaking, I'm assuming, everywhere else. But that page told us exactly what the price of the coin was going to be, and it was going to be $5 and not $50. And that just came from a day before. Or the day before, early in the morning. Yeah, early that morning. That night, 3 hours before the ICCO goes public, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the BCCX website goes down in maintenance, and then it goes down in maintenance for like 30 or 40 minutes. So that was a little time, sometime before the initial coin offering was ready, and that could have been, their just normal maintenance. Or their normal setup to get everything online, possibly. That, and also probably because they were changing the price on the BCCX. So they created hype. There's hype created. There's a demand. They're creating a demand for it, and they wanted BitConnect X wanted their ICO to be talked about. I mean, that day and that next morning, if you clicked on BCCX anywhere, Twitter, YouTube, any social media, I mean, there was endless videos and comments and pages of just people talking about BCCX. I mean, bad, good, like everything. And I knew at that point that these guys were either very genius in marketing, or they were just really stupid and they were just aiming way too high. And I don't think I don't think these guys are stupid. These guys know what they're doing. BitConnectx has been very successful, and BitConnect X will become very successful because it will be the lowest exchange with the lowest fees, and it will be the fastest transactions in the market. Apparently, that's what they're claiming. So it's supposed to be really, 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 really good. And if it's really, really, really good, then everybody is going to really, really want to come here. With that said, the BCC, when they first came out, the BitConnect first came out, it started at 6 cents. And then months and months and months later, it hit $400 to $500 a coin. BitConnect obviously either wanted to hype up the community, get the community excited, get them ready to go, and make them feel that they were buying a coin that was actually $5 and yet find out that it's $50. Or BitConnect knew that their coin was going to be undervalued if they left it at the $5 range. Now, I'm not saying that was great for the community. I mean, we kind of took that as a blow. I was baffled. I didn't want to buy. I was just like, screw this. But I bought it anyways because of the hype and because what they have in store for this year. So I see value in that, and I see potential. Just how I saw value and potential the same way in Ripple, when I knew Ripple was going to break its all-time high and it was going to be top coin from the 21st spot that it was when I first saw it, down to the second, well, today the third coin spot in the coin market cap. So I bought it anyways. I'm holding on to it. I have options. If this coin still ends up being undervalued, well, you know what? I still have credit that I can use for trading other coins that are working on the market. When BCCX decides to go once their exchange goes public, then I can do that on BCCX, so I don't lose anything. Just trade for something else. That simple. But if the coin does go up, then I win. I can sell everything. I've made my profit. I am happy. I get to go home. The demand on this coin is high. The US market couldn't purchase it, but every other market could. So that's one big market that's out of the loop. And once this coin gets into trading and the US market can trade it, there's going to be a demand for this coin. So it's going to blow up. If I did lose value, again, I could sell this coin back onto the market and just exchange it for another currency and use it. But the incentive I'm hoping is that BCCX will have an incentive for BCCX holders for trading. So hopefully, and I say hopefully, they'll give us some kind of more credit or incentive that BCCX will be worth more trading in their exchange for other currencies in the market. And when in doubt, I will be winning because of that extra added exchange rate, and everything's possible, right? I mean, I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for the biggest. I'm shooting high. Worst comes to worst, this thing does crap out. That's fine. I sell it all out and back into the market. I exchange it for something else. I move on. It's the name of the game, guys. But another thing too, I wanted to add with this Korean market ban. Listen, guys, the news can control markets. You should know that everything they do with the stock, they do it with everything. The news. Come on, guys. So when you're doing your research, because I'm listening to this a lot, please do read in between the lines. Okay. Look into every word they use. CNBC, Bitcoin and Ethereum, South Korea bill could ban cryptocurrency trading. Could ban crypto. Could, guys. Guys, the news will use certain words to make you go crazy. They'll use certain words to kind of psychologically fuck you, pretty much. Okay, they're gonna stick a kind of a knife or a rod in your brain and twist it around. Guys, they use certain words to do this. Please don't let this be a scare for you. Keep your money, hold, or you know what's the best time to buy right now because they're creating this blood right now in the market. So everything's bleeding. Buy now at very cheap. Hold because you know where these coins can go and they will go there. So don't read on to everything. If you guys are wondering and freaking out because Korea is going to remove mining or other exchanges are going to ban it, listen, Korea's been trying to. They haven't been trying to do this. Korea's already set some regulations since December 13th and 14th of last year. Do yourself some reading. All they're doing is taking down exchanges that are not complying with their KYC regulations. That's it. That's it. That's all it is. They're not going out there getting their rating down. Like, come on, guys. This is not World War Z. Like, they're not going out there raiding and shooting, cryptocurrency people in the face. Like, don't let this stuff blow out of proportion. This is just the news and how they report it. It's how they're reporting, and it's working, and it's creating a big FUD. Don't let it create a big FUD for you because I'm winning on that FUD. I'm buying low. Hold on to your value. That's all I had to say. Let me know if you guys have anything more. I will let you guys know as I go along. The next videos will be on more insight into BitConnect X, BitConnect, new ICOs coming out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, invest responsibly.